Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the Gardena Comfort Domestic Water System. It's 5000/5 model here. It comes with an LCD display. This domestic water pump with LCD display, flow rate up to 5000 liters per hour and 1300 watt motor with thermal protection switch, dry running protection, and this is for your medium-sized garden to bring water from a source up to nearly every edge at your house, at your garden, at your patio, where you need water. No problem. Of course, you can use this pump system for a shower. No problem. You can use it, or for washing machine. That's possible to do this with that pump system here. Here comes a lot of protection mechanism into this. If there is a risk of frost, the domestic water system can be easily emptied using a water drain plug. We have a large volume fine filter protects against dirt and sand, and we have energy saving. This is a smart pump technology, activates the pump when the water is required, and then it switches it off if it does not require anymore. Everything is fully automatic. The energy saving and convenient is a big fact here. Even with small flow rates, it's reliable and low noise too. Check valve guarantees trouble-free commissioning, no problem. The adjustable feed ensures a low noise and a low vibration operation. The overview, thanks to the multi-control LCD display, means that there is an operating and safety display, and an information on any faults and how to remedy them are displayed in 24 languages. The scope of delivery is included Gardena Comfort Domestic Water System 5000/5 with LCD, and the additional parts, the hoses and so on, you have to buy separately, because this is so special for your garden, for your home, or where you like to use that here. It is engineered in Germany. Okay, we have to take note that small leaks in the customers, in our systems, that prevent a stable pressure build up can lead to a shutdown. Okay, so we have to look that our lines are sealed, and then it will work really cool. That is important. Okay, you have to seal all lines. Then contaminations in the area of the non-return valve due to the dirt or sand, etc. too. Being sucked in is also possible. So take care, your lines have to be safe. The hose connection must be sealed on the pressure side for safe shut off. The garden brand of choice for millions of home and garden owners worldwide. Gardena achieves this with a complete range of all products, regardless of whether they are for watering, lawn care, trees and shrub care, or tillage, whatever. You can find anything in a good quality. Today, Gardena is the leading brand for high-quality garden tools in Europe, and it is represented in more than 80 countries worldwide. The Gardena Home and Garden Automat here, 5000/5, can be used for the service water supply in our house, for flushing the toilet, and for the washing machine, for example. But it can also be used as a garden pump. The integrated electronics activate the robust home and garden automat fully automatically when the water is required, and then it switches off again. The home and garden automat is equipped with a jet pump that pumps the water quickly, reliably and quietly. A non-return valve in the pump guarantees simplified handling and quick commissioning. Of course, if you have um, a line there, you need in your own line a non-return valve too. So first step is look at what is the source. In my case, it's a fountain here, and there I attached a non um, a non-return valve first. Then I'm using a pipe to connect this pump with my lines. I sealed everything. Then I dipped a little bit of water into the machine itself, in the machine's tank on the left side, and then job's done. On the right side, you have two possibilities to attach pipes to, and then you can switch it on. And if you need water, the pump will start automatically and gives you water out. The optimization process ensures that the water can be pumped from a depth of up to 7 meters in just a few seconds. And this works really damn nice. This is easy, this is really good, and this makes a nice power supply, not power supply, water supply at your home or in your garden. This is the Gardena Comfort Domestic Water System 5000 with a nice LCD screen. In the LCD screen, while it is pumping, you see how much it can pump in an hour and how much pressure this pump gives you. This is a maximum of benefit inside and outside because it is rainproof. You can let it out there and use it the entire year. This is the Gardena Comfort Domestic Water System 5000. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback. And I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.